Again, up to the point when man faces the audience, we want to end this part with the man standing on the left leg, and as you get to the left side, start thinking about leading the lady's dip. So shift your weight, bend your left knee, rotate your body slightly counterclockwise, then straighten your right elbow, leading the lady into the pose. It's very important not to lean over the lady, contrary, keep your back straight as a counterweight. If you want to go deeper into this pose, do it by bending your knee, not by leaning over the lady. And the lady's perspective. Now, as you get to your right side, prepare to go into the dip, rotate to end up with your left side to the audience, keep your weight on the right leg, bend your right knee, left leg is straight and in front of you. Direct your hips up and to the partner and tilt your head and upper body backward. Avoid pulling your partner with you, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's show this from the front and step, rotate with your right side to the man. Bend your right knee and tilt backward. While getting out of the pose, straighten your knees. Men should help the lady to get back to the vertical position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.